Welcome back, good friends. Today, I want to share my experience with the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Graphene Acrylic Trim Restorer. Now, out of the group of new products that came out beginning of this year for Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions, this one here, I'm enjoying the results from most. It does the most for me. The Pure Shine, great product, but there's 10 billion products in that category. The scratch removal kit or repair kit with the resin clear coat, I'm still finding, to be completely honest, the best way I can utilize it. This here really does some incredible work. So when it comes to plastic trim, you want to get it clean. After a thorough wash, I like to use something like the Adams Tire and Wheel Cleaner, and I know it's for rubber and wheels, but it does a fantastic job on textured and porous plastics, getting them clean. I just team them up, a little bit of a spritz of the product onto the plastic, and get a detailing brush and agitate the area, just like this. The bottle, just a little over 10 bucks. I believe it's 8 ounces, 8 or 10 ounces, somewhere in there. That's a great buy. You get a lot for the buck. And it combines acrylic with graphene to not only restore, but protect at the same time. There are a lot that will condition or just protect. This does both. Now you know what I think about graphene. There's a reason I don't have graphene in any of my products. It just cannot be refined to the point where we can utilize it yet to its full capacity. So to me then it's just a waste. The acrylic, however, I love products that have acrylic in them. Acrylic is very similar to clear coat. Clear coat is made of an acrylic-like substance, so it really does well for me. We now have the plastic squeaky clean, so there's no contaminants to get in between the restorer and the plastic itself. And I also flushed it afterwards with a rinseless wash, which also contains a surfactant, so we're good to go. Let me put a line of masking tape down the middle so we have a 50-50 shot, and is there going to be a difference whatsoever with the product? Let's find out together. The bottle will have a safety tab on the neck of the opening, and for good reason. This does have pigments and can restore down to a molecular level, which means it'll go down deep into the pores, and it will not be just a topical product. As you can see here, it's viscous, and I don't use anything new when it comes to either the microfiber applicators or the other microfibers I have laying around, just in case an area goes outside the lines off of the plastic onto the painted surfaces. All you really have to do then is use a damp microfiber to wipe it off if it's fresh. But when you're applying the product, it is a piece of cake. Take your time. There's no reason to be in a rush. Make sure you have a nice, even, thick layer on the plastic. And 2 layers, guys. Never paint your fence with just 1 layer, and that really holds true with this product here. You do get benefits from adding a second layer, and I'll show you that towards the end of the video as well for you. For the most part, it self-levels. There's no need to follow up with a microfiber to level it out, and it does cure fast. Within 3 to 5 minutes, it's dry to the touch. If you get a dribble of the product on surrounding surfaces, just get a damp microfiber and wipe it away. Take a little bit of a break, come back 5 minutes later, and indeed the surface is dry to the touch. It's ready for the second layer, and that's exactly what we're going to do. I mean, it's obvious we have huge improvements already, but wait till we have that second layer on there. Second layer applied just like the first. Take your time. Make sure you have a nice, even, thick layer. Plastic, textured plastic, especially like the one back here, is very porous and will drink that product in. If you have a really hammered piece of plastic that's oxidized and really beat up from the sun's harmful rays, it may need more than two. Take your time and do it. It will be worth the little bit of extra time. These are the results after 2 layers. The customer would be absolutely happy with that. Huge difference, and it's not just restored topically and it will wash away. It's restored down deep into the plastic pores. When it comes to washing away, if you want me to put this up against another trim, restore, and protectant, something similar, let me know. I will save that for another video. I could do it in this video here after this cures, after a couple of minutes, but I thought I would leave that for another full video. Let me know down in the comments section what you want to see this compared to. Again, don't use anything new. A used microfiber and applicator, and then throw them away. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.